kayo bibiguin. With your help and guidance, expect that we will strive for more. We will never give up and we will reach the top. We will still be a top performing school in the Philippines, and no one knows we can be a top performing school in the whole world.
Taray.
We are not assuring you, but we will do our best that we can have 101% board passes.
Sobra pa. Sobra pa.
Let us just have hope that we can continue our dreams and the faith that can give us courage to face the uncertainties of the future. The journey is not yet complete. The march is not yet over. The promise is not yet perfected.
Gago.
Tonight, we're setting out again. And together, we're going to write the next great chapter of our lives. We can do better, and we will. This is for our future. My fellow students, we will work with our heart out. The outcome will be in our hands. It is time to reach our dreams. It is time to look to the next horizon. Our best days are still to come. In behalf of the batch 2010, we are praying for success. And upon accepting your challenge, we would like to challenge you to have 100% passing rate and top the board exam.
Lagi naman sinasabi yan eh.
Give pride not only to our school, but to the city of Olongapo.
Parang narinig ko lang kay Kuya Marcos yan last year.
So let us close.